was born just to meet you. I wanna tell you now I am simply, I am still. The morning of beginnings comes, I search for treasure. But before I know it, I forget that it was always right beside me. Today again I drift. These memories are proof of the path I've walked. These scars teach me, so trying my best to keep moving forward, to follow everyone else in this life where we swim while getting stained. You've carried it so carefully, so well, to have come this far. It hasn't disappeared yet. Please somehow believe, say you believe in that tiny bit of hope, even if betrayal continues, even if what is precious breaks apart. Somehow please live, live, live on to an impossible degree, endlessly so, with nothing wasted at all. We are truly precious. There is no reward for loneliness. The snow will someday melt, the flock of birds will fly toward tomorrow, but I grow smaller again today, swaying gently. I hear a newborn's cry, spring repeats itself. Have you cherished it, passed it down in words? I still haven't told you, made today's share of I love you reach the future unchanged. On the day this world ends, let's make plans for tomorrow. That's how we'll live. Let's try living to an impossible degree, endlessly so, with nothing wasted at all. We are precious, pressed into the earth beneath our feet. Irony overlaps to an impossible degree, endlessly truly. You must not erase it yet, that tiny hope. Believe in it without hesitation, say you believe. Even if the darkness continues, I wanna keep searching for you, so please live. Please keep living to an impossible degree, endlessly in this dazzling world, holding our knees close. Everyone somewhere has their own weakness, with nothing wasted at all. We are precious, one step at a time is enough. Please just love this ordinary today. Even a chord torn to shreds, look, will bloom into flowers by tomorrow. So please